Wow. Oh man. Good shot. Boy, great shot. Here we come. So this is how Orchard Country Club looks like now on the entrance. It's a far cry from what it used to be, called palm trees. But now the palm trees have been cut down to make way for new reed. There's the clubhouse. And
the guys.
That's the guys. These are the guys. Guys, Mr. Jep. Mr. Buboy, welcome to my vlog. Hello. Buboy! You'll see yourself on the big screen. YouTube lang yan. So we're playing Orchard and today, anong format natin? Singles. So are you ready for the game? Ready or not? Ready or not? No choice. Alright. And we have here one of the monster hitter, Mr. Ken. Welcome to the vlog.
Thank you.
Ready for the tournament?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, okay. So watch this guy, ladies and gentlemen. He'll bomb the court later. The guys are all getting ready. Set for. This is the first individual, no, second individual for the.
Chick to chick.
9, up,
7,
up, down,
6,
okay.
5, 4. Everybody must be quiet. Huh? Okay. Okay. Enjoy.
Print and paper.
Sige na nga, i-vlog ko na nga ulit si Mr. J. Welcome back.
Thank you.
This time
With Marky Mark.
For real. Kunyari daw. Seryoso mga tao ngayon ah. Ano kayang what's at stake? Oo nga. Guys. Mr. Jep. Did not see.
Wow, nice shot. Okay, welcome to the vlog.
Nice shot. Ken will give us a lot of tips on how to play.
First hole, it's okay. We are still smiling.
Yeah. Flag.
The word is very good.
Golfer. Good shot. Okay. Mas OB. Good shot. Again, the single handicap. Wow. Whoa! Eagle. Eagle. Catch an eagle on the fly. Courtesy of Mr. Ken. Righty. Hole 2 banter.
That's a beer hazard.
Beer hazard.
Before the red tee. Yeah.
Bite. Stop.
All these hard-hitting guys playing behind me. My gosh. Nice draw.
Nice shot. Nice shot. yan. 4 on.
Okay. No problem. Just head down. We'll look for your ball or break. Don't look up. Nice.
Whoop!
Four! And second shot. Green. Good shot. Oh, ditong red stick. Looking for Randy's ball. Good shot. Boy, great shot. Just putt from here, see what happens. Exactly where you're aiming.
For us,
For humans like us, mortals, aim for the tree. For Ken, the humanoid, aim for the bunker.
You guys go for the green.
Nice.
Great shot.
Finally. Ay, nag-draw.
Wala.
Give me someone to hit my ball. Man, this game. I pray so hard, my ball in the middle.
Yeah, I know.
Jeff played so hard.
I bought you, right?
Yeah.
Go.
Oh man, my ball. Good shot. Okay. Good shot. Come on. Oh. Nice par. Nice Ken. Wow.
Uy! Ayan, yun.
Uy, taas nun.
Oh, not there.
Say hi to the vlog.
My knee is supposed to hit the coin.
Oh, nice line. Oh. Oh! How can did not go in? Thank you. Come on. Oh! The heartbreaker.
I saw you gonna. It's okay.
Oh my gosh! To witness a 150 meter, 170 yard pitching wedge. Mr. Jeff. It will be caught on camera.
Yes, right.
Uy, too much allowance. Nice draw.
Turn left.
Go.
Turn left.
As if I'm surprised Ken is on the green. It should not be a surprise. It's a jet ball somewhere. Hindi ko nakita na gano'n, sir. Nag-plug. My ball, Randy, Ken. Jeff chipping.
Ay, stupid!
Go, go. Kulang, sir.
Ay, ay, ay.
Nice. Good shot. Okay.
Members kick.
Somewhere there. So my ball landed here somewhere. I had to take a drop in a par 5. Okay. Stay. Wow. Whew. Playing with a single handicapper and low handicapper. I have to play my game. Let's see how Mr. Ken does this. There's 3 in front. He's hitting here, so he had to make a good hook. Wow. Oh man. Like watching live TV in person.
right.
Ay, nako.
Bingi. Makain ka pinang man.
Wala mo. Wala ka naman. Hindi mo naman once yun. Oh man.
50 yards. 50 yards below the curse of the long hitter.
Yeah, I think Ken will.
That's our target.
The once in a million years, right?
That's green, right? Over there.
No.
Yeah.
But just a bit you need to pay.
No,
Demanding more.
we were playing in Manila with my friend, right? So I was telling them the numbers of statistics, like hole in one in 12,500 odds. But then the guy hit something on the tee box, duffed his shot, driver. He said, "Oh, what's that?" Then he looked at it, did like this, smell it. It's cat poop. Honorary member bounce. With my endorsement.
Extra discount.
Voucher indeed. Nice. Oh, Jeff! I follow you. I give you my voucher. Nice.
Oh, it draws. Oh man.
Wow. Hindi mo kung ready na, Jeff, ha? Pwede na ba?
Lalakad pa.
Hindi mo kung pwede na, ha? Stop!
Hi.
Still on. Come, I drive for you.
Thank you.
Sponge shot. That's the thing.
Ah, not enough. Yes.
Di maganda yung
Oops, muntik na. Muntik na.
Oh, you passed already, see.
Yeah.
Muntik
Is
nice. Draw.
Oh man, that's too much.
Oh, good draw. Ken and Randy. Let's see what they got here. Coming. Bunker shot tutorial. Courtesy of Mr. Ken. Jep. Mr. Ken. Randy cannot. Shoot. Birdie oh. Uy. See?
Under again.
Okay. Come on. Nice. Hindi ka pa masaya sa para. Tapos. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to witness another professional shot from Mr. Ken. Let's see how he does this. Come on, bro.